Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to make money fast without a loan in 2025. In a world where everyone's hustling for extra cash, you don't need to borrow money to build your bank account. I'm excited to share some practical, achievable strategies that could put money in your pocket quickly. Let's get into it. First off, leverage the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or even newer apps in 2025 powered by AI matching are perfect for earning fast. If you have a car or a bike, sign up as a driver or delivery person. You could make $20 minus 50 an hour depending on your location, and it's flexible around your schedule. Next, sell what you already own. That old electronics, clothes, or furniture gathering dust. List them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Depop. In 2025, with advanced AI tools for pricing and shipping, you can turn clutter into cash in just a few days. Aim to price items competitively to sell fast. I've seen people make hundreds from a single garage sale online. Another smart move is freelancing your skills. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, sites like Upwork and Fiverr have exploded with opportunities. With AI assistants helping refine your profiles, you can land gigs paying $50 to $200 per project. Start small, deliver great work, and watch the jobs roll in. Don't overlook online surveys and micro tasks. Apps like Swagbucks are emerging 2025 platforms using blockchain for rewards pay you for your opinions or simple tasks. It might not make you rich overnight, but you could earn $10 minus 50 a day with minimal effort. Lastly, consider starting a quick side hustle like pet sitting through apps like Rover or offering virtual assistants. In 2025, with remote work booming, these gigs are in high demand and can pay off immediately. Remember, the key to making money fast is consistency and smart choices. Avoid scams and focus on legitimate opportunities. If you try these tips, share your success in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and let's turn that hustle into cash.